So today in lesson 2 we are going to learn about equations. So let's get started with getting ready. What are equations? Equations are the ones that's been translated from many different phrases. Then what is a phrase? It says right here, a phrase is a group of words with no complete thought. So what does that mean? Like for example, x plus y is a mathematical phrase, or 7 times x is another mathematical phrase. So let's find out some phrases, some mathematical phrases. Okay, here, the sum of three numbers. So we don't know what are the numbers, but it says the sum of the three numbers. So it's x is a number, y is a number, and z is another number, right? So the phrase can be translated into this mathematical phrase. Okay, another example, 5 added to a number. 5 okay, 5 is added to a number, a number, right? A number C. What about this one? Twice a number. What does that mean? There is a number and it's been multiplied by 2, which is 2x, right? And a number decreased by 10. So there is a number x, and it's been decreased by 10, right? So those are ones that's been translated from the phrase into mathematical phrase. Okay, so it says phrases can be translated into expressions, and a mathematical sentence shows the relationship using the symbols like equal, smaller than, or greater than, right? So those sentences can be translated into equations or inequalities. So the equations are the ones that you use with this symbol right here. This symbol right. So equations are the ones that you use with the symbol right, like this one, equal to, right? What about inequalities? Inequalities are the ones that you use the greater than or smaller than, or greater than or equal to, or smaller than or equal to, whatever, like those ones. Okay, so let's study some of the expressions, equations, and inequalities. Okay, so say this one right here, say x is an expression, and this can be translated into equation. For example, x is equal to 7, or it can be translated into inequalities. X is greater than 7. So this one right here is an inequality, and this one right here is an equation. Okay, so those are the two different things that you have to know. So let's look at another example. X squared plus 9 times x minus 12. Well, this is an expression, right? And this can be translated into equation. For example, x squared plus 9x minus 12 is equal to 36. That means this one right here is an equation. Or this can be translated into inequalities. So x squared plus 9x minus 12 is smaller than 36. So if you use like this kind of symbols, then it is an inequality. If you use this kind of symbol right here, this one right here, that's an equation. Okay, so now let's move on to the another section.